What?
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for choosing to hang out with me once again. I am so excited that you're here so we can get to hang out. I had recorded this when I was taking them out from my shopping bags, and then I realized I was cropped halfway. You could not see me. So let me do it again. Now I don't know how to start. I'll just start because everything is just now mixed up. First on the floor is wet wipes, because why not? Wet wipes, everybody needs wet wipes. Taking off this makeup, doing whatever, you need wet wipes. Who doesn't? Okay, from wet wipes we go to tomato paste. I think it's a new brand, so they're just introducing them. So they were like 20 bob each, so I decided let me take two, go and try from my normal. You know, the others are like 40 bob. Compared to this, is almost half the price. I was like, good steal. Okay, other than that, we go to my coconut coconut cream. I use this a lot, especially if I'm making stews, and I use them a lot. This is like 5. I have 3 for one company and 2 for another company. I just want to see how, if they are all the same, or if the quality is the same, because the price is almost the same as well. So this 5 of them. The other thing I bought is unga ya ugali. You guys, does anyone say how, like, why is it so, why is unga 200? And anyway, that's all. The other thing I have is peas, minji. They looked very fresh from the supermarket, so I decided why not. They were so fresh. I was like, And then we have some tea bags, because for taking tea. A rolling pin, because for the longest time I've been using something else which I will not mention here. But yay, I have a rolling pin now. I'm making more chapatis and they have to come out soft by force. The other thing I bought is kamande. I don't know, but I'm a big fan of kamande and dengu. This green dengu, this ones. And kamande is like this. Yeah, some glue band because yeah, I was running out of sugar as well. So sugar and spice. Some rice because I have not managed to send for rice from home, so rice it is. The other thing I bought is some oats for breakfast. Yay! So yeah, oats for breakfast. What else did I get? This actually is just for trying. I found those. I found those. I saw these in the supermarket and they looked like, I don't know, they just attracted me and I was like, let me pick one, go and try, see if, this could be a supplement for my overconsumption of beef or meat. Potato peeler, because why didn't I not have one? I never had a potato peeler, but why? How? It is what it is. The other thing I got is 2 soaps for washing clothes. I need to do laundry. I also bought like 2 packets of milk. Yeah, and I bought 2 packets of tissue like this. The other one is too far, I cannot reach it, so assume this times 2. The other thing I bought now, because I had opened this one, is this Luron moisturizer. I have been using it and it's really nice on my face, like it really moisturizes my face. So, and it's not expensive as the other brands, which I also use them sometimes, but I just found this one working really well with my skin, so I decided moisturizer on a budget. Again, it is a date of the month where I cannot afford to buy those ones that so moisturizer for the win. That's it. That is my mid-month shopping. What else did I get? Tomatoes, but these ones I just picked them from Mama Mboga outside my flat. So yeah, that's it. That is my mid-month shopping. But someone tell me, what are these prices? What? You do not even want to know how much that costed me, and you can see just a few handful things. Like what? I was like, what? Anyway, so let me put this where they're supposed to be, and I'll see you in a few.
The next day.
Hey guys, so this is the next day. I had ordered for a tripod because what I had before, I broke it. I'm not even sure what I was doing. It just broke. So it has been a struggle using it because I had to hold it with sellotape. I'm going to show you after I have unboxed this one. So I'll show it to you at the end. I decided to get a bigger one than what I was using. This is expandable, like it can get longer if you stretch it at the end. And it came with other goodies, so I thought it was just a good deal. So it has that Bluetooth shutter that you can connect to your phone so that I can record from a distance with ease. And also it comes with 2 lenses. I am not sure how good these lenses are, but I'll try them out and see how it goes. This is the clipper for clipping the lenses when you're using them. So you clip it onto your phone and then attach the lens to it. These 2 lenses, I think one is a fisheye and then one is just a normal lens. I am going to try them out and see if they are better than my phone. If they are, then I think maybe I could be using them, but I'll try them out. And then the other thing is the where you attach your phone. So you have to attach this to the tripod, and then that's where I placed my phone. Thank you guys for hanging out with me until the end. Please watch another video on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment to this video and any other video that you might watch. Stay safe, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.